Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. Remember God is able when you feel like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is going to be this Get Glam with me. I'm going to be showing you the new Patricia Bright X Revplution palette. I've got the whole collection, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look perfect for the holiday season coming up, and also how I got this hair looking this cute. It got me feeling all kinds of golden Barbie vibes. So keep on watching if you want to know how I got the look, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. As always, we're going to start with the hair. Today got me feeling like Grazie with the good hair, girl. This hair's from RPG Show, and you guys know I work with them all the time. I absolutely love them, and this hair is just absolutely perfect for the holiday season. It just makes you feel very, very special. Yeah, I think that's a perfect word for it. I just felt special with this hair. So I'm flattening it with my hot comb. I'm going to leave that in the description box. I'm going to cut off the lace. As you can see, I didn't need to tint the lace or anything. It just matched my hair perfectly. And on the website you can customize the lace to your skin color. I'm plucking a little bit of the hairline, but it already comes pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do much. As always, you guys know I like a fuss-free wig, okay? So I'm cutting off that lace, making sure it's very precise. And also with this wig, it comes curled, so it's very low maintenance. Like you only have to keep up the curls every now and again, but it holds a curl really well. I'm just creating a little bit of sideburns as well there. Make sure it looks really nice and flat and neat. And then I'm using my Got To Be gel to just glue it down. As you can see, currently it wasn't glued there, so you can totally wear this wig glueless. You can totally wear this wig glueless. I have done that a couple times, but just if you want extra security, you can use glue. But wearing it glueless definitely helps with maintenance, so you can take it off at night and you don't have to ruin your curls. But it's just totally up to you. Now I'm blow drying the Got To Be just to make sure it's nice and tacky, so this will last a while. And I'm just flattening it down on my hairline. No, just above, in front of my hairline, so it doesn't snatch any more of my edges, honey. I only got 2 left. I gotta keep them close, you know. So now I'm laying down my baby hairs with some mousse. I really like this technique, and it just makes the hairline less flaky because the mousse is just less harsh on your hair. I'm using the ORS olive oil hair mousse, putting it all over my curls to get rid of flyaways. Okay, so now that the hair is done and out the way, I've just clipped it back so it doesn't get in my face. I'm going to move on to the makeup now. And so today we're going to be reviewing the Revplution times Patricia Bright collection. Our good sis at Patricia has a collab with Revplution, so today of course it's only right that we test out her collection. This is gonna be like a first impressions. Sis did that. She's got 2 palettes. They kindly sent me the collection. She looks so stunning. I might try and do this kind of look. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, as you know, sis went and bought out 2 palettes with Revplution. She sent me the whole collection, and so as you know, there's 2 palettes. First one is the Rich in Life palette. It looks like this. It has a lot of nice everyday nudes and also a couple of pops of color. It's like an all-round palette. You can take this away, you can take this on holiday, on a trip. You have options, you know. And then we have the Rich in Color palette, and this is more for like artists, you know. If you really want to play around with color, then this is for you. They also sent me their face palettes, and of course I'm going to be using the darkest one. It's called You Are Gold, and it looks like this. There's a blush, like a contour bronzer and a highlight. So I'm going to be giving away the rest of the face palettes. There's 3 others. There's Dusk Till Dawn, Shimmer Sunrise and Moonlight Glow. So stay tuned to the end of the video to know how to enter into that giveaway. But yeah, so I'm going to be using for this particular video, only because my hair is also blonde, I don't want to go in with a colour, but my next tutorial will be the Rich in Colour palette. When I have a bit darker hair so I don't look crazy. I'm going to be using the stunning Rich in Life palette along with this face powder, and then I'm going to be just doing my normal face routine for the rest of my face. Stay tuned if you want to know how to get a Patricia bright glow, honey. Okay, stay tuned. So I've done the first eye. It looks like this, kind of like purple and gold. And so I'm going to move on to the next eye. I'm going to start with this colour called No Drama, because 2020 we don't want none of that drama. Like, we don't got time for that. We booked and busy, okay? No Drama. I'm just going to lightly pack that on my lid, but like above my crease. These shades are really nice and pigmented. They're like creamy. There's no like, they're just easy to use. This is for like an everyday person. Guys, no, I'm not a makeup artist, so the fact that I can use them means anyone can use them. Now that that's packed on, I'm just gonna blend it out with a fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna go in with Booked and Busy onto my brush and just go below where that transition shade is. Don't worry about going over the lid. I'm just going to clean that up with a concealer anyway. I'm going to now take Pure Soul and I'm going to pack that onto the outer corners, just halfway, to darken up the look, to give it a bit of drama, a bit of smoke. Okay. So now that that is smoky, I'm going to add just a little bit more of depth. All of these terms that makeup artists use, depth. I'm going to use Stargirl. It's pretty black, yeah, it's basically a black. Like kind of on my outer crease, just where the fold of my crease is, to make my look more dramatic. I'm going to use this really flat brush to like kind of shape it out so it doesn't go everywhere. And then I'm going to use the fluffy side to blend that in. So because this is tapered, it's so much easier to kind of smoke out. Make sure you smoke it up a little bit as well, so when you do the cut crease, the black will actually show up. I'm going to take my Fawn concealer to just cut that crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna start adding the glitter. So I'm gonna use this purple called Sweet Like Candy on the outer of the lid space as a transition shimmer to just blend out the black and the light color. I love the texture of this as well. It's like a pressed powder, but it's like feels a bit like creamy. It's really cool. And the colour just comes on really nice and rich and creamy as well. I'm going to use a different brush to get the light iridescent purple called Perfection right there. I'm going to take this You Are Gold, Gold, Always Believe in Your Soul, this colour, and put it in my inner tear duct. This Pure Soul colour, and then I'm gonna add that on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna add white in my tight line.
Okay, so now that I've finished the main event, the eyes, I'm just gonna speed through the rest of my face. You guys have seen this a few times, so I'm not really gonna, do the instructions, but I have changed my technique up a little bit, so you guys will probably still catch something. But yeah, I'll just let you listen to some cute music, okay?
You're enough, even though you come from nothing, you're enough. You're enough, you're enough. You're enough, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. Remember, God is able when you feel like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. Remember, God is able when you feel like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough. You ain't been the same since your loved one died. God is by your side every night you cried. Gotta heal your heart, go and wipe your eyes, yeah. You're enough, don't listen to the devil's lies. I know you're tired and I know you feel you tried. God is saying your break was here, know that this your time. God is near, so just know that you'll be fine. God can see, so just learn to trust his time, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. Remember, God is able when you feel like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. Remember, God is able when you feel like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough. A long life for our parents so they get to see us winning. God will put the pieces back together when you're broken. Anytime you're feeling down or doubtful, remember God ain't bring you this far just to leave you, yeah. In this life, may we be fruitful. And even though you fell, God will never fail you. God will give you peace, God is faithful.
Okay, so now that I've done my face how I normally do it, I'm gonna go back to the Patricia Bright face palette, and I'm just gonna use it as a bronzer. It looks like a really nice shade for dark skinned girls, so I'm just gonna dust that on my face. On me, it's a really subtle but really nice shade. Just add some depth to the face and ties in the foundation with the contour and the highlight. It just kind of blends it together so it meshes nicely. And then I'm going to use this pink as a blush in the apples of my cheeks very lightly. Blend that out with a fluffy brush so it all goes together. And then I'm using this as a highlight. You guys know I love my Revplution Rock On World, so I'll be interested to see how this looks. Ooh, that is pretty. That is a gorgeous highlight. It's very fine as well, so it doesn't look like you've got loads of highlight on. It's just a very nice fine powder, so it looks like an inner glow. That is lovely. And I put some on my forehead, that is so nice. I put some on my forehead as well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not exaggerating. I feel like this might take over my Revplution powder. This is so fine. It's like you can't even tell. It just looks like light is bouncing from it. It doesn't look like an actual highlight, if you know what I mean. It looks like an inner glow. It looks dewy. It looks like a dewy glow, not like a highlight, not like a powder highlight. Gosh, that's very nice. Okay, that is gorgeous. I'm gonna use the Patricia Bright X MAC lipstick to line. In the middle, just this liquid matte lipstick from Primark. It's gonna match the eyes really nicely. Gonna go back in with that dark shadow called Pure Soul. It's kind of covered by the concealer. Highlight my nose.
You're enough, yeah. Even though you come from nothing, you're enough. You're enough, yeah. You're enough, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. Remember, God is able when you feel like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough. You're enough, yeah. You're enough, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough, yeah. Wipe your tears and just know that you're enough. God has got you and there's nothing like his love. Lambo God is able when you feel like giving up. You're enough, keep your head up, you're enough. You ain't been the same since your loved one died. God is by your side every night you cried. Gotta heal your heart, go and wipe your eyes, yeah. You're enough, don't listen to the devil's lies. I know you're tired and I know you fool, you tried.